Good day, Cicloistas. I'm here at Lipa, Batangas, together with friends from Great Resto and Bar. Am I right?
Yes.
Dito po to sa may Metro
Event
Zone. Guys, these are the owners. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Jonah.
Hi, I'm Maritel. Hi, I'm Greta.
Hi, I'm Carlo Arnaldo.
Mga Cicloistas, actually, dito po tayo ngayon sa ating food and tours. Guys, what made you guys enter the resto bar business?
Well, it started out, we have this get-together every Thursday. So, we dine, we drink, we have fun. And one day, I came up with an idea. Parang, hey, we were drinking during that time. And then, I told one of our partners also na, what if we put up our own restaurant bar? So, we pitched the idea to the rest of our friends and the rest of the group. And, yeah, the rest
They love the idea kasi kumikita ka na, gumigimik ka pa, am I right?
Yes.
What are the specialties naman na included sa menu ng Crate?
Actually, dito sa Crate, meron kaming starters, main course, desserts. Pero dito kasi ang specialty namin, like we have the hambak, the pork belly with kimchi rice. And sa starters naman namin, meron kaming mga spicy tuna salad, the gyoza, tuna sashimi. And now we have this new dishes like this sukiyaki, the soup. And mantaw with pork sliders. And of course, one of our bestsellers is our dessert, the homemade ice cream.
I saw you earlier, you were cooking, so you are the cook.
I'm the head chef.
Head chef, alright. Compliments to the chef, alright? Okay. What time is your business operation usually?
From 3 p.m. to 12.
3 p.m. to 12. Actually, this show is for bikers. We bikers, mahilig kaming pumunta kung saan-saan, different places. Ngayon guys, what can Crate offer us riders?
So, in terms of ambience, they got a slice how it feels to be in Japan and Korea. So, what we did was we actually used the same materials that they use in Japan or Korea, which is the raw materials and the natural and earth palettes like black, gray, off-white, white, and then wood, which is brown.
Parang homey,
So, then we use the warm light. It's very homey, it's very, parang chillax lang yung vibe. So, it's very, parang appropriate kung yung mga bikers, mga riders, gusto nila mag-relax, gusto mag-unwind after a long ride.
One more thing, kasi kami, usually we find places to eat, yan, sa mga magazines, of course, and of course, dito sa show. Pagdating sa social media, we all know na dito hot para malaman yung especially our place. Do you have a social media website, fan page, and a website that we can visit para makita yung place?
Yes, we have a Facebook account. It's under the name Crate.
Crate?
And yeah, you can just search on it sa Facebook and then it will come up.
We also have Instagram account.
Okay.
You can search for it by typing Crate Resto Bar.
Crate Resto Bar. Okay guys? Tell you, kanina pa kami nalalasa. Nakikita natin. Okay, ano bang address nito?
Crate is located inside the food park called Metro Event Zone, which is located along Ayala Highway or JP Laurel Highway in Lipa City.
Yeah.
So it's across South Supermarket, so it's really easy to find.
Alright, guys, dumadaan tayo rito pag mga endurance rides. Very easy to find naman kasi by the highway naman.
Along the highway naman.
Right, guys, Cicloistas. Kung alam nyo lang yung nafe-feel ko ngayon sa harap ko. And of course, the place is very decent talagang cozy. If you want to talk to your friends here, yung mga kakapwa nyo riders for a time, magkwentuhan, this is the perfect place for you. Kaya Cicloistas, sa susunod po muli nating food and tours dito po sa Motorsiklo News Talk Show.